On. Certainly going to be for tomorrow. We're forecasting a high of 97. That old record is 102. And then again, as we head into the weekend, 98 on Saturday, the old record 103. But I don't think we'll break it for today, and certainly not on Friday either. Let's take a look at the temperatures, where they're headed over the next couple of days, and they only get hotter from here. As a matter of fact, we're going to 97 for tomorrow. We cool off, in quotations, a little bit for Friday, but look at this weekend. 98 on Saturday, 99 on Sunday. But then, of course, dew points in the mid-70s. That oppressive moisture in the air leads to heat index values real dangerous. No joke here. 109 for tomorrow, 110 the heat index on Saturday, and the hottest day of the next 5, 112 the heat index for Sunday. That is dangerous heat this weekend. If you can, try to find some shade or just stay inside. That's probably your best bet. Now, Mother Nature going to try and help us out with a little bit of rainfall. We are tracking a little bit of energy down across the mountains of the Carolinas. That could give us a few showers across North Carolina today, but the cold front you see out towards Ohio eventually rolls in as we go through tomorrow. So basically 2 shots of rain as we go through the next 24 hours. So here's a look at our forecast. We're going to be dry from now through 9 a.m. Lots of sunshine to help aid into that extreme heat. Later this afternoon and heading into this evening, there will be the chance of a few showers and storms, primarily across North Carolina, but overall we stay dry. Tomorrow morning, mainly sunny skies to start. By the afternoon and evening, here comes that cold front from northwest to southeast, driving in the chance of storms, and some of these storms tomorrow could be strong to severe with heavy rainfall and gusty winds. Again, the Storm Prediction Center has all of us under that level 1 threat, but there is a possibility that some of us, especially south, won't even see the storms. Your forecast today, though, soaring heat, 91 by midday, 95 this afternoon, maybe a late day storm across North Carolina, but not looking likely at that rain chance of 25%. Heading into our day tomorrow, about a 40% chance of showers and storms. With heat going to get? It's going to get real bad, and it's going to get even worse before it gets better. We're looking at your heat index forecast for today. Many spots feeling more like 100 this afternoon, so very hot outside. Not seeing anything in the way of rainfall to help cool us down. It would be nice to have a little bit of rain to do that, but right now just seeing some cumulus clouds forming right now. No rain to report. There is, though, a chance of seeing some showers and storms later on today. Let's show you the forecast model. Generally speaking, keeping us on the dry side as we head through about 4 o'clock. Then after that, it looks like we'll have the potential of seeing some showers and thunderstorms fire up, especially across North Carolina as we head through later on this afternoon and heading into this evening. Now, overnight tonight, we'll just see a mix of cloud and stars, so it looks like we are going to be dry for overnight. Here's a look at your day planner. It is hot out there today, 95 this afternoon. Then later this evening, we will have the slight chance of seeing some showers and storms, primarily across North Carolina. Overnight tonight, look how warm it's going to be tonight, 78 degrees. That is warmer than most of our thermostats, right? So a warm night tonight. It's going to be even hotter tomorrow. We're going to talk about that and if it cools down at all for the upcoming weekend in just a few minutes.
Trivia question.
Okay, it is harder for a jet to take off in what kind of weather? Very hot, very cold, or very humid? This answer and just how hot it's going to get in your forecast next.
It's oppressive.
It is oppressive is the perfect word for it, and it may even be record-breaking at one point. We wanted to give you the next 4 days as far as the forecast and the old records. Probably not going to happen today, but 2 days in the next 4, including Thursday and Saturday, we will get pretty close to either tying or breaking those all-time records. Taking you out live here at the Virginia Beach oceanfront. Definitely, if I was out there, I'd be in the water. You can see lots of folks soaking up the rays and enjoying the cooler water temperatures compared to the air temperature. Right now, 89 for the south side, near 90 in North Carolina, 86 for the peninsula, and yes, it is still rather muggy outside. Now, if you are going to be heading out to the beaches, just a big heads up. The good news is that we have the surf height very friendly. You can see the water behind me, nice and friendly. That rip current risk today is low. Let's get right into those temperatures, though, because this is really important and no joke. This is likely the hottest week of the year, and you can see we're going to go up even hotter. We're looking at 97 for tomorrow. We do dip down behind a very weak cold front heading into Friday, but we are right up to 98 by Saturday. 99 degrees on Sunday. Now a dry heat, that would be fine, right? But we have to add in the humidity around here. This is your heat index forecast. It'll actually feel more like 106 today, 109 on Thursday. Look at this weekend. If you've got weekend plans outdoors, you may want to cancel them. Look at that. Saturday feeling more like 110, 112 is the heat index for Sunday. Here's what we have out there as far as rain, because at this point, we just want some rain to help cool us off. Of course, we don't want severe weather, but a nice little shower would help. We've got this trough that's sitting across the central part of the state in Virginia and the Carolinas. A little bit of moisture out here, which will try to make a run at North Carolina later on today. And then here's that cold front that'll be moving through tomorrow evening through tomorrow night. Both of these will give us chances of seeing a little bit of rainfall, but it's not much. I want to show you the forecast models here. So as we go through the rest of this afternoon, again, there will be that slight chance of seeing some scattered showers, primarily across North Carolina and the Albemarle. Here's 5 o'clock today, shower or storm possible, Outer Banks, South and Virginia Beach. And then as we go into this evening and overnight tonight, that rain chance pretty much goes down. Heading into tomorrow, we're going to start things off with a mix of sun and clouds. Then as we go through tomorrow afternoon, it's also looking primarily dry. It is tomorrow evening that we begin to watch this very weak cold front move in from northwest to southeast, and this will likely spark the development of some thunderstorms. Here's 11 o'clock for Thursday night. We stop the clock here early on 1 a.m. at Friday morning. Again, this is where we see that heavy rain potential. And then the storms kind of move on out of here. The frontal boundary moves in and then it stalls. So it will still give us a slight chance of seeing some showers on Friday, but generally speaking, it's not really going to cool us down very much. And as far as a lot of rainfall, we're not expecting too much either. The Storm Prediction Center has the entire viewing area because of that line of storms moving in early Friday under this level 1 storm threat. If you're wondering what we have to watch out for with this, is going to be some strong wind gusts, I think, and heavy rainfall, which of course the heavy rainfall could lead to some ponding. Thankfully, it's happening at night, so most people will not be out on the roadways. All right, but your forecast for this afternoon, it is hot, 95. Looking at that chance of some showers and thunderstorms, mainly across North Carolina. So if you're in Virginia, probably not going to see rain today. Heat index between 105 and 110. Tomorrow morning, not much relief. It'll be warm and humid. We'll start things off in the upper 70s. And by tomorrow afternoon, even hotter. Yeah, 97 tomorrow, heat index near 110. So let's go ahead and show you your first warning 7-day forecast. And you hate to see that we're going to be this hot for this upcoming weekend, but here we go. Again, for tomorrow, looking at those chances for showers and storms primarily in the evening. High temperature tomorrow of 97. As we head into our Friday, slight chance of some leftover showers as that frontal boundary sits on top of us. It only cools us down to the low 90s, but as we head into the weekend, it gets even hotter. I think if we break any records, there's a better chance of doing it on Sunday. Look at the high temperature. 90s really need that buoyancy to get that lift, so they need some of that moisture.
Well, thank you. Learn something new every day.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Well, the Mega Millions jack.
Our next newscast is News 3, first at 4.
Have a great afternoon.
Real hot, and the heat is no joke. We're looking at highs to be in the mid-90s today, and you can see we do have a slight chance of seeing some showers and storms this evening, but all in all, it looks like we are not going to be seeing storms today. Heading into the next couple of days, we're talking 97 tomorrow, 98 on Saturday, the hottest day, 99. You can see the normal high for this time of year is 90, so we'll be trending well above normal for this time of year. Then you factor in that July humidity, and it feels even hotter outside. 109 is the heat index for Thursday, 110 on Saturday, and up as hot as 112 heading into Sunday. Here's a look at your first warning 7-day forecast. We are looking pretty hot this weekend as well. Temperatures will be in the upper 90s.